How to share someone's Instagram story to a Facebook story. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Instagram always trying to promote sharing between Facebook story and Instagram story. They just rolled out a new option to make sharing a Facebook story a lot easier. We just have to make sure that our link between Facebook and Instagram is active. And you want to make sure you have the credentials for your Facebook account as well. If you don't have them, then that's not going to be able to work, and you may as well download the Facebook app on your phone too and just sign in there. It will make it a little bit easier. Now what you want to do is simply go to your profile to the bottom right and then click on the top right on these three lines right over there. And once you click on there, click on Settings. And once you've clicked on there, you want to scroll down to see the Account Center right over here. For me, it says Profiles at the top. But for you, it should be seen as a Connect Facebook account. So you will have to follow all these steps and then connect your Facebook account. It's actually super easy to do just a bunch of clicks. And then once you're done, right over here, it says Sharing Across Profiles. And you want to click on Share from Instagram and then Enable Story right there. So that's super easy. That's exactly what you want to do. And then right over here on Facebook, you can also enable Facebook Story. So then once I add a story on Instagram, it will be added to Facebook Story and the other way around. So that is exactly what we want to do. I hope this quick video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.